welcome to the episode number 9 of the Supra Turbo Build. We are going to powder coat some parts, but before that happens, we're going to install the oil pump gear, which is a 36.2. As you see, there's missing 2 teeth in here. Is what we're going to use to configure when we put on the ECU. So once you clean it, be sure that your 2 guide pins are here. There you go. There you go. If it doesn't go that easy, you might need to boil it, and then you come in here and push and it goes in. This goes in here to prevent the belt from coming out. And then there's this little thing in here. There's only one way to put it. You put it in there, and that's going to prevent the belt from jumping. 10 millimeter. Usually those things are 4 foot-pound or something like that. So you just tight enough, small wrench, and then good to go. I'm not gonna put anything here, so this is gonna fall. I'm gonna leave like that, and this is good there. So that's it right here. It is clean now. We're going to powder coat this orange. All right, so Illusion Orange is loaded here. We have the part right down there. All right, it's looking very orange. So let's put in the oven and let's bake it. All right, so 375 I'm gonna leave there, kind of right. Let's see which color is gonna turn out. All right, so our part is ready. I see a bunch of flaws, which is something that we can improve next time. All right, it is better than the black pen, and you can see the shininess, but I don't know, still like not perfect. Some failed here. So I mean, I'm learning. This is going to the bottom of the engine, but you know. So now I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes just for that silicone, for the black, ultra black, to harden a little bit, and then I'm gonna set it in there, wait for 5 more minutes, and then I'm gonna tighten. The 2JZ has this nicely done couple studs on the sides so you can align, and once it's aligned, you just drop it. Bottom end. So now we're going to start doing the cool stuff. We're going to put the MLS gasket from Cometics. I'll put the link in the description. We're going to open it. Finally, I've been holding to the parts for 1 year. It's a multi-layer gasket, and then you see this one has 3 layers. So there are 2 ways usually that you will be able to fit this. And you see here, there's a dowel pin there, dowel pin here, so you know that fits. But look at this one, there's 1 hole on the bottom, and the hole doesn't go through, so I know that this is incorrect. So I'm gonna take this out, and I'm gonna flip it. Now you see, this goes in there, this goes in here, and now you see I have holes, all the holes are lined. There you go. This side is good, and this side is good. Now what we have is the ARP, which we have a beautiful sticker, and then the torque spec. The torque spec is different than the OEM torque spec. This one, it says 80 foot-pound in 3 equal steps. Align the washer with something, get a stud, and then put the stud in place and use. And the bottom out, I'm gonna just do like this. Done. So this is what we do. Put a little bit in there, magnet right in the center, and drop in there. Then you're gonna get your extension and the 13 millimeter and tie down a little bit. So we're gonna do 27 foot-pound. This one first. Now we go 2, we do 3, and then cross over 4, 5, 6, cross all the way over here, 7, it's one before the last, here, one before the last here, one before the last here, and then we're gonna do the last one. So that's 27, 10, 11 is the last one here on the bottom. Now we're gonna cross all the way again here, and all the way to the bottom. Nice. Look at that, how beautiful. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this episode. I'm gonna put it together. The next episode you don't want to miss, so stay tuned and appreciate the support. Don't forget to subscribe. Later.